In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add bank details to invoices in Zoho Books. This is extremely useful if you want your customers to easily see where they should send payments when they receive an invoice from you. By adding your bank account details properly in Zoho Books, your invoices will look more professional and your clients will know exactly how to complete bank transfers without needing to contact you for payment information. The good news is that setting this up only takes a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it quickly and correctly. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's go ahead and get started. First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you are inside your Zoho Books dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen where the main navigation menu is located. This sidebar contains all the main sections of the platform, such as sales, purchases, reports, and banking. What you want to do here is click on the option called Banking. The Banking section is where Zoho Books allows you to connect or manage bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts that are related to your business. Adding your bank account here ensures that your payment information can be used when generating invoices and tracking transactions. After you click on Banking, you'll be taken to the banking dashboard where you can see any accounts that are already connected. If this is your first time setting it up, the list may be empty. On this screen, look for the button that says Add Bank or Credit Card. Go ahead and click that button to start adding your bank details. Once you click the button, Zoho Books will give you a few different options for connecting your bank. Some users prefer to connect their bank automatically for transaction syncing, but if your goal is simply to add bank details that will appear on invoices, the easiest option is to add the account manually. So on this screen, choose the option that says Enter Manually. Now you'll see a form where you can enter your bank account information. Start with the account name field. In this field, type the name of your bank or the name you want to use to identify the account inside Zoho Books. For example, you might enter something like Business Checking or the official name of your bank. Next, you'll see the account number field. Here, you should enter your official bank account number exactly as provided by your bank. Make sure the details are correct because this information may be referenced when customers are paying your invoices through bank transfer. Depending on your region and banking setup, you may also have additional fields such as routing numbers or other identifiers. Fill in the necessary information carefully so that your bank account is recorded accurately in the system. Once you've entered all the required details, go ahead and click the Save button. Zoho Books will now add the bank account to your banking section. Your bank details are now stored inside the platform and can be referenced when managing invoices and payment information for your customers. From this point forward, when you send invoices to clients, you can include your bank details so customers know exactly where to send in payments. This makes it much easier for businesses that accept direct bank transfers and helps avoid confusion or delays in receiving payments. And that's how you add bank details in Zoho Books so they can be used with your invoices. As you can see, the process is quick and only takes a couple of minutes to set up. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Zoho tutorials, software guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.